Alright, now in this video we finna talk about how to use money. Now, I really don't do the finances on this class. I really don't talk about finances and shit like that. But you know all my videos correlated one. So I don't really talk about just the physical. I talk about it all, nigga. All in one. Now look though, how to use money. Now, before we get into this video, you need to understand that you cannot stack money to get rich. And you cannot have a one stream of income and trying to get rich. That's just for people who trying to get rich and shit like that. You just know you cannot stack money to get rich, and you know what I'm saying. That's not how people get rich. I'll tell you that in a minute. Now, all right, and then for my people who work in jobs and shit like that, you cannot get rich working a job. It doesn't even make any sense because you're working. You're not rich because you're not even rich within yourself and shit like that. So you're just trying to get rich on the external reality. You're not even gonna get rich, nowhere near getting rich if you keep trying to go to the job and shit like that. You're just gonna be just getting by, if you know what I mean. If you want to, all right. So if you do want to get rich, make sure you're rich within yourself before you try to get rich on the external reality. And now we're finna talk about how to use money. Now, money. You need to use your money on things that supports your soul. So it's better to get a head start on the younger you are, because you can get ahead more. So say for example, I like collecting crystal rocks and things like that. I like collecting rocks and healing rocks and things like that because I like the energy and shit like that. And I like to go like this. Hold on. I just basically like rocks and shit like that, as you see right here. Now, so this is the thing. What's funny? If I get some money, right? If I get some money, I would not spend my money on trying to get shoes and trying to impress other people and things like that. That's the wrong way to do it. If I'm trying to get rich, I need to spend the money on my soul and how I'm feeling when I spend the money. I shouldn't spend the money without any emotions and things like that. So you gotta like follow your emotions when you spend the money. AKA this all leads to yourself, and this is basically just spending your money on things that's drawing to your soul and shit like that. So you start getting money. So if you're a person you don't have nobody to hand you money, then you can use a job, for example, but you gotta have a way to lay low for a minute, because it's not gonna happen overnight type shit. Like this, all the maximum I say, this may take like, I mean the minimum I say this is all gonna happen is 1 year, but the maximum I say, like, in my opinion, I feel like it takes at least 2 years of solid grinding and shit like that. I feel like it takes at least like 2 years of solid grinding to actually get stable, in my opinion. But so before you get into this shit, just know that this shit won't happen overnight. So if you think it's gonna happen overnight, you can click off this video and go back working your job you hate, cause this a motherfucking grind and this shit is real. But when you start getting through the process, it starts getting easier. Now, look. All right, so look, you what was that? All right, so now look, you start off and you get money on however you're gonna get it, where you get it from a job or you get it from a specific person. So you get this money and you spend it on things that satisfy your soul, like I said. Now I'm repeating that before we hop into the next segue. Now, so you spend this money on things that you like and shit like that, and you put it to shit that you're passionate about, and you're gonna use your passion to get to success and shit like that. But the way you want to use your money is, you don't want to use your money buying shit you don't need, like the latest iPhone or some shit like that. You want to use your money buying shit that you need for your soul, that your soul drawn to and shit like that. Whether it be anything. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna give you 3 examples. Whether it be planting we gotta find your passion too though. But this is how to get to success. But But that's another video for another day. But basically though, use your money for things that's satisfying to your soul, not things that you're just buying just to impress the next person or some shit like that. Cause it's just a waste of you're wasting your own time. You know what I'm saying? Like that's basically like just it's foo gratification. Like yeah, you just got the latest Jordans, my nigga, but hey, what you doing though? You know what I'm saying? Like your life's still the same. Nothing pretty much changed but the shoes on your feet. You know what I'm saying? Like, so you gotta really put your money towards shit that's gonna get you somewhere, not shit that's just gonna keep you stuck. So buying the latest Jordans, I suggest you not do that. Hey, I ain't gonna tell you what to do and all, but I'm gonna tell you what to do. That's pretty much it though. How to use money for your financial advisor, OG La Urbula.